Hope is not a strategy. Being a practice owner, this couldn't be more true. The only way to build a strong patient referral base and maximize profitability is to implement common sense, real-world best practices.
Need to recognize my business is different now. It needs different things from me, and I have to let go of different things to go back up to that level.
I was, they call it an overwhelmed operator, working at least 40 hours treating patients and trying to run the business on top of that. No time for friends, very little time for my family, and no time for myself.
This is why I created the Practice Transformation Workshop. Now, whether you're just starting out, maybe 2 years in, or a seasoned veteran with 1, 5, or even 10 locations, you're invited to this exclusive live training event where I'm going to show you how to build and scale your business. Why? So you can remove yourself from the day-to-day and begin working on your business rather than in it, allowing you to create the life you've worked so hard for. And during this live training, we'll be covering what true practice freedom means to you and how to achieve it. You will dive into exactly how to prepare for this success, the critical role you as the owner must play, and it's not about being a better clinician. You'll understand how to protect your #1 asset, your employees, how to create raving fans who will sing your praises and drive word-of-mouth referrals, and how to separate yourself from the competition, and so much more. I've helped hundreds of practice owners work less, earn more, and live the life they deserve. And now it's your turn.
We've made up whatever the cost was tenfold.
This program brings clinicians, owners together, and it basically helps you reframe your mindset, to change that mindset to be a business owner.
I really have kind of a new excitement about my practice. I'm actually going to not see as many patients, and I'm excited to kind of get more involved with managing my business, and I'm just getting great direction on how to do that.
I can't even think of where to begin, from dealing with staff and really looking at things in a different light, to looking at the money end, to looking at how to market. It's been pretty amazing how far we've come.
We got really clear on what it was that I was trying to build, the practice I was trying to build, and what my role was in that, and then building a team around me to take care of the things that I didn't want to do.